Hello, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an interesting word that makes us think a little deeper about things beyond what we can see or touch. Our word of the day is abstract. Abstract is an adjective that describes something existing only as an idea, rather than being something physical or concrete. When we say something is abstract, we're talking about ideas, thoughts, or qualities that can't be experienced directly with our senses, like justice, freedom, or love. Let's explore some synonyms for abstract to understand it better. Words like theoretical, conceptual, and intangible can convey similar meanings. For example, we could say, the discussion was mostly theoretical, touching on ideas that haven't been tested in the real world. Or, art can sometimes be conceptual, focusing more on ideas than on realistic representation. These words give us a sense of something that's more about thoughts and ideas rather than things we can see or touch. On the flip side, there are some antonyms for abstract too. Words like concrete, physical, and tangible contrast with it. For instance, we might say, we need a concrete plan before moving forward with a project. Or, the statue has a very tangible presence in the room. Here, these antonyms bring us back to ideas or objects that are real, visible, and touchable. In everyday language, we often use abstract to talk about ideas or forms that don't directly represent reality. For example, we could say, the painting is very abstract, with colors and shapes that don't represent anything specific. Or, in a philosophical conversation, you might hear, freedom is an abstract concept that everyone interprets differently. Whether we're talking about art, ideas, or beliefs, abstract helps us express things that are more open-ended or symbolic. So, to wrap things up, today we learned that abstract means existing as an idea rather than something we can physically experience. We explored synonyms like theoretical, conceptual, and intangible, and contrasted them with antonyms like concrete, physical, and tangible. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this word helps you think about the world in a new way. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. It really helps others find the show. And before you go, why not share your own sentence using abstract in the comments? I'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks for listening, and I'll catch you next time on Hello Word.